How to find the total surface area of a prism. Have you ever wondered how to measure the total surface area of a prism? Understanding this concept can be quite handy, especially in real-world applications. Let's break it down step by step. First, a prism is a three-dimensional shape with two identical bases connected by rectangular sides. To find the total surface area, you need to calculate the area of all its faces. This includes the two bases and the lateral faces. The formula for the total surface area of a prism is simple. Total surface area equals 2 times the base area plus the base perimeter multiplied by the height. Let's clarify what each part means. The base area is the space inside the shape that forms the base of the prism. For example, if the base is a triangle, you would use the formula for the area of a triangle. If it is a rectangle, you would multiply the length by the width. Next, the base perimeter is the total length around the base shape. This means you add up the lengths of all the sides of the base. Now let's talk about the height. The height is the distance between the two bases, or how, for the base extends in the third dimension. Here's how to find the total surface area in a few easy steps. First, identify the base shape of your prism and calculate its area. For instance, if the base is a triangle, you would use 1/2 times the base times the height of the triangle. Second, calculate the perimeter of the base shape by adding the lengths of all its sides. Third, measure the height of the prism. This is the length of the prism itself. Now apply the formula we discussed earlier. Multiply the base area by 2 since there are two identical bases. Then, add the product of the base perimeter and the height. For example, if you have a triangular prism, the total surface area would be calculated as follows. Total surface area equals 2 times the base area plus the base perimeter multiplied by the height. This method works for all types of prisms, no matter the shape of the base. Understanding how to calculate the total surface area is useful in many fields, including engineering and architecture. By breaking down the prism into its base and lateral faces, you can easily find the total surface area for any prism shape. Whether you are working on a school project or a real-world application, this knowledge will serve you well.